Welcome back once again, guys. So if you're new to this channel, do well to like this channel videos, share the videos, always leave a free Nnamdi Kanu in the comment section, very important, and mostly do not forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on this channel notification bell so that you won't be missing any trending updates about Nnamdi Kanu, as all what you'll be getting here are trending and latest updates on Nnamdi Kanu. So do well to hit the subscribe button and always turn on this channel notification bell as usual. Nnamdi Kanu's release is what we are crying for at the moment, as we keep saying free Nnamdi Kanu, free Nnamdi Kanu, because we know that Nnamdi Kanu is not a terrorist. Nnamdi Kanu have not done so bad to still be in detention till now. We are on 11th of November 2025 and Nnamdi Kanu is still in detention. Yet criminals are still out there that have not been jailed. We are hearing several rumors of a man called Shegumi negotiating about the bandits with the Nigerian government. You can imagine that. A criminal have not been jailed yet, but Nnamdi Kanu is still in detention as of November 2025. You can imagine that. You can see that they don't want to release this man. They want to still keep this man in detention for more years. So when he come out, he will not be strong enough to do what he normally does. What people knows Nnamdi Kanu for, he will not be able to do it when he come out. Because by then, he will be aged. He will be aged and he will be very weak. And he might even cry along the line. This is their plan. But it will not work as they plan. Now, without wasting much of your time, there are two videos I would love you guys to watch. Watch these videos to the end. And when we are back, we'll definitely continue. I do not want you guys to miss this particular video that will be displaying on your screen. So watch this video. When we are back, we'll continue.
Officer. Nobody does that.
We did not carry anybody.
The man took this Arab. We will not allow because he was chief of office. And then you to carry land.
Sir, everything was acquired legally.
Will you stop that?
You get
Will you stop that?
Sir, I'm an officer. I have integrity.
Shut up, your man. Put us.
I will not shut up.
Will you get out?
Sir, I won't shut up. Sir,
I was in school. You're not in school.
Sir, you can't shut
Will
me
you keep quiet?
Get
them take food.
I'm not
You are the food.
I'm not a fool,
You
sir.
can shoot anybody like that.
Sir, I'm not
You
a
are the
fool.
fool.
I am not a fool, sir.
As for the time I graduated, you are in primary school.
I'm acting on orders.
Take for which order? You will see whether you will not live here.
Sir, you can't call me a fool.
Go and develop your
I'm an
mind.
officer. I'm not a fool, sir. I'm an officer.
You will have killed everybody here.
No, we won't kill anybody. We won't kill anybody. We are acting on orders.
Go and develop here. Let me see you.
Regular officer, you want to come and complain?
We are going to get out.
I'm not even seeing what is recording. Hello, sir.
Director Press. You should report at the nearest police station. I hereby, as the Commissioner of Police, Lagos State Police Command, declare Sowore wanted. I declare him wanted for the act of causing disturbance of public peace and an act to commit serious felony by planning and putting all the plan in motion to obstruct traffic on the terminal to cause hardship for Lagosians and other Nigerians, and especially visitors who are transiting through this end. We will not allow this to happen. These are the equipment, and we ensure that we are closing on him anywhere he is. He should be aware that we are closing on him. We learned his doing video, and he couldn't come down. Let him come down. He came down in Abuja. Why is he afraid to come down in Lagos? He should come down. He should come down. Wherever he is, he should report himself to the nearest police station. Because I'm going to arrest him and investigate him and prosecute him. Thank you. We have made 13 arrests of this miscreant and hoodlum because there's no any reason why this protest must take place. The people who are concerned, who are residents of Omotosho, have been paid compensation by government for those who deserve, who are entitled rather to the compensation they deserve. And the people have remained in peace and they've been living in peace in the community. But it's coming to Lagos to instigate crisis, to instigate violence will not be tolerated. And I want all Lagosians to still go about their lawful businesses without any fear or pressure. Let him come down, let him put his leg on ground. He's standing in a vehicle and he's making video that police have covered everywhere and he can't come down. It's the same way police come everywhere that I came down in Abuja. Let him come down here and you will see the wrath of the law that will equally be enforced on. Thank you.
So guys, welcome back once again. I believe we've watched the two videos that was just displayed to you on your screen. This is why I told you guys not to miss those videos. On the first video, you can see former Rivers Governor Nyesom Ezonwo Wike talking to a security operatives. Okay, at first, look at how this country is corrupt. What concern the security operatives with the land and what Jason Wike is doing in that particular place? Is this what they should be doing? I don't understand this Tinubu government and their ways. They should be going after those bandits that are killing Christians around. But look at what they are coming to do. Talking and arguing with Jason Wike. Is this what they are supposed to do? While in the second video, you see the Nigerian police, the so-called Nigerian police, declaring Omotosho wanted because of the protest that he did on October 20th, saying that he disturbed Abuja and disrupted movement of people. What is that supposed to mean? So Nigerians do not have right to protest again? What are they supposed to mean? What is this Tinubu government up to? Declaring so they wanted because of the peaceful protest they did on October 20th in solidarity of saying free Nnamdi Kanu. How is that possible? Well, without wasting much of your time, let's get into full details so that we'll know exactly what happened. Because when I keep telling that Nnamdi Kanu is a peaceful man, is an innocent man, it will be looking as if I just want to be talking to you guys. But I'm telling you guys the actual truth. Let's get into full details. As you can see on your screen, Nnamdi Kanu's defense team warns Justice Omotosho against delivering ruling before hearing motion to arrest judgment. We read in full details. The legal team representing the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, has cautioned Justice James Omotosho of the Federal High Court, Abuja, against proceeding with judgment in the ongoing trial without first hearing a motion to arrest judgment filed by the defense. In a public briefing note issued on Tuesday by Nnamdi Kanu, ESQ, for the Nnamdi Kanu Global Defense Consortium, the team argued that the motion filed on November 10, 2025 is a lawful and binding judicial process grounded in Nigeria's constitution and criminal procedural laws. According to the defense, the motion to arrest judgment is not political theatre but a legitimate procedure in Nigerian criminal jurisprudence. The team explained that it exists to prevent a court from delivering judgment where jurisdictional or foundational defects remain unresolved, quoting section 36(1) of the 1999 Constitution. The statement stressed that the right to fair hearing is non-derogable and universally binding, and that delivering judgment while such a motion is pending would amount to a verdict without legal life. To arrest judgment is to compel obedience to the Constitution to ensure that no judgment is delivered in breach of the right to fair hearing, the statement read. It is a lawful, binding, and time-honored judicial safeguard against miscarriage of justice. As you can also see another headline on your screen, which says, Nnamdi Kanu files motion to nullify terrorism charges, stop trial over illegal rendition, repealed law. Let's read. The detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, in a suit filed with court in Abuja, is seeking to nullify the terrorism charges against him and permanently halt all further proceedings in his ongoing trial. In a written address supporting a preliminary objection, Kanu urged that his continued prosecution under a repealed law and based on a disputed proscription order violates the Constitution, the African Charter on Human and People's Rights, and binding appellate decisions. The IPOB leader, through his counsel, seeks 7 key declarations and orders, including that his trial under the Repealed Terrorism Amendment Act 2013 and based on an ex parte prescription order obtained without a fair hearing is unconstitutional, null, and void. That the Federal High Court's 2017 order prescribing IPOB, obtained while Justice Binta Nyoko's ruling that IPOB is not an unlawful society, was still in force, is unlawful and cannot form the basis of criminal liability. That the extraordinary rendition of the defendant from Kenya without extraordinary extradition proceedings stripped the court of jurisdiction to try him. That his prosecution violates his right to a fair hearing and confidential communication with counsel, as the Department of State Services (DSS) allegedly monitors his meetings with his lawyers and seizes legal documents. You can imagine that. That counts 1 to 8 of the amended 15-count charge filed in January 2022 constitute double jeopardy, having the same factual basis as counts previously struck out in April 22. Well, these are the full details I have for you guys. And on the first one, Nnamdi Kanu's defense team had to boldly and confidently warn Justice James Omotosho against him delivering ruling before hearing motion to arrest judgment. You can imagine that. They are warning him against him delivering ruling before he hears motion to arrest judgment. What kind of country are we in? They are warning him against proceeding, that he should not proceed with judgment in the ongoing trial phase without hearing a motion to arrest judgment filed by the defense. This is what the Nnamdi Kanu defense team are warning him about. And in the second news, Nnamdi Kanu filed a motion to nullify terrorism charges, and he wants to stop this trial over illegal rendition and repealed law. You see that you're seeing that Nnamdi Kanu is putting an effort. He wants to put an end to this rubbish. Nnamdi Kanu wants to get released. This is why in previous videos you hear Nnamdi Kanu saying you don't know law, you don't know law, you don't know what justice means. Nnamdi Kanu is seriously angry and he wants to leave detention. He wants to be set free. I pray he gets released one day. Now get to the comment section. Let me have your take on this. Like this video, share this video. Always leave a free Nnamdi Kanu in the comment section. And most importantly, hit the subscribe button and turn on this channel notification bell so that I won't be missing any training updates about Nnamdi Kanu.